बैक जी, आप देख रहे हैं गेम ऑन है। शुएब साहब
जी,
कब से जानते हैं आप मुझे? कितने साल हो गए?
about 29 years.
कितनी दफा जो है हमारा शुगर लगता है आपस में एंड पीपल स्टार्ट टेकिंग
या बड़े अरसे से जानते हैं लेकिन जान नहीं सके।
एंड पीपल स्टार्ट टेकिंग इट सीरियसली। पोस्टर शोस्टर बन गए हैं।
We were just messing around. Let them know that we're just messing around. I just always pull your leg,
Yeah.
and you have to pull my leg back,
Yeah,
right?
bilkul.
This is how it works, and the people must be thinking that they're making memes out of this. There's nothing serious between me and Numan.
नहीं तो
It's all good. We're just pulling the legs. That's all.
ओ भाई, तो इसका मतलब है इनकी मेरी तो फिर आपने पता नहीं क्या कर देना है। He almost kills me on this set.
Yeah, I know. Should I leave now?
No, please. Okay, now tell me one thing. That this
You just killed my marketing then. I was just about to sign a big deal.
मेरे
with
आज
them.
आज टीआरपी क्या हुई होगी?
no, this reflects people watch us at least. So this is the sole consolation, David.
It was just all planned. Let them know it's all planned.
Absolutely.
And what we did is just we was trying to get a more TRP. We just wanted to, this is the favorite guy of mine. I like to pull legs of him. So it's okay.
And-
Relax.
But you know it's leg pulling. He's missing one still.
Yes.
Okay, so now getting on to Shaheen Shah Afridi setting the tone today with that maiden over.
2 legs. Both legs.
Both right. He was bowling on both.
Well, we all know he's a top-notch fast bowler. Again, Lahore Qalandars must be thanks.
क्या कराची किंग ने कुछ नहीं किया क्या?
Hold on a second.
अच्छा, सही
If only Karachi Kings asked us to give us a job, then we'll talk.
By the way, you are not anymore Karachi King.
लाहौर में
Again,
चांस है।
Shaheen Shah Afridi